Where do you get an office view like this?
Number 2385, now pattern way 35 left.
I have no clue. Chasing the sunset over the Rocky Mountains. I can't believe this is my job.
Welcome back, everyone. Tonight we're going to be landing in the dark at Vancouver International Airport, flying the ILS to runway 26 left. It's going to be a glorious spectacle. But first, we got to get over the Rocky Mountains at sunset. Let's go.
The Garmin G600 TXI right here is awesome. You pair that with a GTN 750 by Garmin and a GTN 650. Although I have to say, I don't know why they didn't put another 750 here with the big screen, because they got the real estate, but side note, autopilot's on, but we could use a little right rudder trim, so we can add a little bit of that. Stepping on the ball, except we're going to make the autopilot step on the ball. Alright. So everybody, I'm going to take some footage of the mountains here. Enjoy this next little bit.
Now, I've seen a lot of spectacular sunsets, from the tops of mountains to the Alberta southern prairies. You name it, I've seen some awesome sunsets. But seeing it from the air is absolutely mind-blowing. So I'm going to soak this in before we start our descent into the darkness. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody. We passed 35,000 subs, which is so cool, and I really appreciate the support. If you're interested in becoming a pilot, there's some videos on my channel that should help get you started with your flight training. And I recently posted a video that explains how to get your first pilot job for those of you who are fresh out of flight school.
This is a pretty cool situation we got going on here, everybody.
Right heading 235, cleared ILS 26 left approach.
Right, 235, cleared ILS 26 left approach, Sierra Golf.
Now, when you fly alone, especially at night, you tend to pick up some weird habits. For me, it's talking out loud and talking to myself. It helps me keep engaged all the time to make sure I'm at the top of my game.
We are currently cleared down to 3,000 feet, and we are going to intercept the ILS runway 26 left, and we got the lights of Vancouver and the Vancouver area sprawled out in front of us here.
Now, we're all set up for the ILS runway 26 left, but we'll probably get cleared the visual approach because it's an absolutely beautiful night, so we should see the airport in a second here.
I said 190 knots or greater, so we're about 194 right now. We're going to increase that.
Iraq Guelph across the Vancouver beacon at speed 160 knots.
And across the beacon, 160 knots, Sierra Golf.
Iraq Guelph, contact Vancouver Tower 118.7. Good day.
We're over to tower now, 1187, Sierra Golf.
So we're cleared over to the tower frequency, and we're going to just continue to fly the ILS. We're going to intercept the localizer and then the glide slope, and we're going to do our glide path check right here at the NDB. And even though it's good weather and we have great visibility, you can actually see the airport straight ahead there, we're still going to follow all of our minimums and fly this approach as if it was the real deal.
Hi Tower, it's Sierra Echo Alpha with you. We got the field in sight, runway 26 left.
Park Sierra Echo Alpha, Vancouver Tower, good evening, number 1, runway 26 left.
Number 1 for 26 left, Sierra Golf.
Now, we've got the runway straight ahead, and here's a look at the airport diagram. We're going to be landing runway 26 left, which is on the south side there, and that puts us really close to the FBO where we're going to park.
We've got the runway in sight, straight ahead. We got the localizer, and we got the glide slope down here. We got to slow this airplane up. We're going to come back on the power.
And we have to be below 175 knots in order to get the first stage of flaps down, as well as the landing gear. We approach anywhere from 130 knots to 150 knots, depending on the conditions. And as we bring the power levers back, those 4-blade props will start creating drag, and you'll see our speed slowly bleeding off.
There's 175. Let's get one stage of flaps. Add a touch of power. So we're going to anticipate the plane's going to start slowing up more. We can pitch over a little bit to get that glide slope back.
We're just coming up on the beacon now. That's the Vancouver ADF. And there's the runway straight ahead.
And speed's good. We'll get the landing gear.
Good land runway 26 left.
Good land runway 26 left, Sierra Echo Alpha.
So we're clear to land, and I've got my pre-landing checklist complete, so I'm just going to run my flow check BB
We got
gumps.
3 green, none in the mirror. Belts, brakes, gear, 3 green, none in the mirror. Mixtures, props are coming up. And switches are all good. Turn our taxi light on, and actually we're going to throw our recognition lights on. That's basically the landing lights in the Conquest. It'll be the wing lights, gear, props, and flaps. We're going to get below 145. We can add 1 more stage of flaps. There's a big fat runway we're going to be landing on. Alright, speed's good. 1 more stage of flap.
Juliet Hotel, Delta 7 for
Then I'm going to go to this map page here because I want to make sure I know which is our taxiway exit here.
500.
Okay, everything's looking good. Gear, props, flaps are set. Landing lights are on. And we are cleared to land. And Tower, Sierra Golf, just confirming clear to land.
You are?
Thanks.
A little piece of advice, if for any reason you think you might not be clear to land, just double check.
Double check in there. If you're not sure, double check. Okay, we're going to come back on the speed. Lots of bright lights. Okay, we're going to set our power.
658,
Lots of
speed
runway.
restriction canceled at Delta 7, line up, wait runway 26 left.
Speed cancelled, line up and wait 26 left, Jazz 658.
And just fly it to the runway. Nice and easy, nice and smooth, beautiful. A little bit of beta, a little bit of back pressure, and try not to hit the runway lights with the nose gear, the ones right in the middle. It's that thumping sound you
Sierra
hear.
Echo Alpha, exit left onto Echo, the 90 degree, and then taxi Echo runway 31 Alpha to the south apron.
Whatever, we'll exit Alpha, then 31 South Apron Circle.
So we've been cleared onto taxiway Alpha, which will take us to the southeast corner of Vancouver International Airport. If you land on the north runway, I swear it takes about half hour to taxi across the airport. It's such a long distance. So we're going to shut down here. I'm going to book a hotel and get ready for tomorrow's flight. Good stuff. Well, that was fun. Did some flying, got an awesome sunset, got some work done on my laptop, and I'm in Vancouver. So, ready for tomorrow's flight, back home to Calgary. Welcome to Vancouver, everybody. So just gonna give the ramp guy a little bit of love. And it's usually at this moment when I just stand there and stare at this airplane and admire its beautiful form. It truly is a glorious aircraft. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. That was an ILS into Vancouver International Airport at night. I'm doing this flight on a regular basis, so there'll be lots more of these kinds of landings to come. If you're interested in becoming a pilot, check out my channel. I've made some videos to help get you started. And for those of you who are looking for your first aviation job, I recently posted a video there that you can check out that should help you. Thanks everybody for watching again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.